the adventures of LaChaBenn. LaCha! Welcome to the RainForest. My name is Ben. I'm a conservationist for the Maryland State Department of Natural Resources. As a Maryland conservationist and as a nature lover, I'm overly concerned about the treatment of our environment. We're in the rainforest right now, as rainforest is simulated through the National Baltimore Aquarium. If we don't post up, these are the last things we're going to have to look at the rainforest. Rainforest is slowly disappearing. It's not going to change overnight. We actually need to make conscious efforts and decisions that are going to rebalance what we have unbalanced in this environment, in this world, and in this country. Now I have a gnome coming to visit me. Can you please hold on 2 seconds? Hold on, I want to show you the gnome. Indigenous to this part of the country. We call them losers. Let me show you some of the rainforest. Turtle, birds, waterfall. Pay attention, folks. It's just not a joke. Either we do it now, or there's nothing left to even worry about. Not even us or our kids. Fuck having kids, actually. Where the hell are they gonna live? In smoke tanks, oxygen tanks. If we've ruined what's left of our good air and our good earth. It's kind of sad if you think about it. The problem is many of you have not thought about it. Throw your cigarette butts out onto the road, your styrofoam cups. And most of you are just slobs, so you can't help it. But the ones of you who aren't, take a second to think about the dangerous effects we're having on this environment. That's enough for now.